Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows 11. To open this feature, go to Run and enter the command appwiz.cpl. You can find this in the description also, then click OK. This command will open Programs and Features window. On the left pane, you can find Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. Now, Windows Features dialog will open. Here you can find a lot of optional features. Locate Windows Subsystem for Linux and click on the checkbox next to it. Finally, click OK. Windows will now search for the required files. Windows will then apply the necessary changes. That is it, the process is now complete. A restart now is highly recommended. However, as I am recording this video, I am clicking on Don't Restart. And that is it. Windows Subsystem for Linux is now enabled on your Windows 11.